Hi there, students. Brusque or brusque. Both pronunciations are possible. Okay, brusque is an adjective describing when a person uses very few words and is very quick and not particularly friendly. Okay? So, brusque, when somebody speaks to you and they say just a couple of words, but they're not concerned about being polite, about taking the time to use all the social forms of politeness. So, brusque means short and rude, yeah? Not pleasant, but quick as well. Notice we have the adverb brusquely and the noun brusqueness. Brusquely, brusquely, brusqueness, brusqueness. Both pronunciations are possible. Okay, so if somebody is brusque, they're abrupt and offhand in the way that they speak. They're not thinking about your feelings, yeah? So he gave a brusque reply, a very short reply, yeah? Very blunt and direct, yeah? Not trying to save your feelings, yeah? Brusque normally talks about either the way somebody speaks or their manner, their way of being, yeah? But most commonly, it's used to talk about when somebody's speaking. So he brusquely said no. Okay? Nothing about I'm terribly sorry, but I don't think this is going to be possible. Brusque, no. Terse, so quickly and unfriendly, using very few words. His reply was very brusque. His manner was very brusque. I think that's probably because he lacked time. He was in a hurry, yeah? So, brusque, rapid, quick and rude, and maybe very blunt and direct as well. Let's see, I think you could probably use this word brusque just to mean quick. He gave the tin a brusque tap on the lid, yeah? A quick tap. You could probably use it like this, but it's much more commonly used with the way somebody's talking, yeah? They're not taking their time to talk to you or explain things to you, yeah? Okay, what about the origin of this word? Well, I think originally brusque in English talked about the sharp acidness of a wine. And this came from French, which was taken from Italian. And then the origin, yes, you guessed it, is Latin again. I think it comes from a butcher's broom, a butcher's brush, which the bristles, the bits that stick up, were very stiff and scratchy. Yeah? So, stiff and scratchy to a rapid and not polite reply, yes. Okay. So, when you greet him, don't be brusque. Take your time and include all of the social norms. When British people meet people of Mediterranean origin, the British think that the Mediterraneans are rather brusque, but that's just their way of expressing things, yeah? Brusque, direct, without any of the politeness or the taking of time to make somebody feel at home. Okay? So, there you go. Brusque. You could use it to mean just quick. He gave it a quick tap, a brusque tap. But this is more to do with the manner or the way somebody deals with you, the way somebody speaks to you. Okay? So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Brusque or Brusque.